Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ECA, means Educational Credential Assessment for an Express Entry System. In this video I will guide you step by step for the process of ECA. So let's begin. First of all, what is the meaning of ECA and its importance? An educational credential assessment is used to verify that your foreign degree, diploma or certificate is valid and equal to a Canadian one. There are different type of ECAs available, but you have to get an ECA report for immigration purposes only. You must include your ECA report and reference number in your Express Entry profile. Your ECA report may help when you are looking for a job, but it doesn't guarantee you that you will get job in your field or at a certain level, or you will get a license to practice in a regulated profession. So basically it is for to calculate or to earn points in an express entry system. Now who needs this? If you completed your education outside Canada, then you need this. Or if you are going to earn points for your education that you got outside the Canada, you can also earn points for your spouse or common law partner's education if they are coming with you to Canada. But you don't need an assessment for a Canadian degree, diploma or certificate. To earn points, your report must show that your completed foreign credential is equivalent to completed Canadian secondary school or post-secondary credential. Now, which kinds of credential to get assessed? In most cases, you only need an assessment for your highest level of education. For example, if you have a master's degree, you only need an assessment for that degree. You don't need one for your bachelor's degree. But if you have two or more credentials in hand, then you need an assessment for each one. To get full points for more than one credential, at least one of the credential must be of 3 years or more. For example, if you have one bachelor's degree and one diploma, one postgraduate diploma, then you have to get the assessment for both these credentials. And if your post secondary credential is not equal to Canada credentials, then you could get your secondary credentials assessed. This would get you points for completing secondary school only. Now, who can do assessment? You must get your assessment from an organization or a professional body designated by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. They will give you a report that tells you what your education is equal to Canada. Processing time and cost may vary by organization or professional body. Once you choose designated organization or a professional body, they will tell you how to submit your documents to get your assessment. Basically, there are 5 designated organizations. The first one is CES, the second one is ICAS, the third one is WES, fourth one is IQS, and the fifth one is ICES. Now here I have given an overview for the points you will earn according to your qualification. So here is the list. For more information, you can click on this link of Canada's official website where you can find points for your own degree. For example, here if we select an applied bachelor's degree, then you will get 112 points if you are applying with your spouse, and you will get 120 points if you are applying as a single applicant. So you can get about your own education credentials by clicking on this link. Now, we have already discussed about the 5 designated organizations that will conduct your ECA, and the most fastest and the popular one is WES, that is the World Educational Services. WES will evaluate your education credentials after receiving the documents from your institution. And a final copy of report will be sent to you and IRCC. There is an option of a preview tool on the website of WES also. In the preview tool, you can get the rough idea of your educational equivalency in Canada. It is available for free of cost on the website of WES. Now guys, I will show you step by step procedure for applying to ECA. First of all, you have to go to the website of WES, that is wes.org. Then you have to click on the option of get started. After that, this page will appear. Here they have briefly mentioned about the process. First of all, you have to submit your application, and after submitting that you will receive your WES reference number. Then you have to read their document requirements, and then those documents will have to send to them via post. You must indicate your reference number on all the documents sent to WES. And the final step is the step 3. In this step, they will verify your credentials, create your report, and will deliver to your recipients. You have to click on apply now. Then there are 3 options, but you have to select the middle one, that is ECA application for IRCC. After that, this page will appear. You have to fill the basic personal information. After that, you have to fill about the information about your education, that you have to add your educational credentials one by one. When you will click on the option of add credential, then this page will appear, and for the demo purpose I have filled this kind of information like country of education, India, type of education, university education, bachelor's degree program, name of institution, name of diploma, your name, field of study, year awarded, year attended. Okay, after that this page will appear. You can add more credentials if you have, and after adding all the credentials, then you have to click on the option of next. After that, this page will appear. In this page they have shown that these are the recipients which will receive their report. By default there are basically 2 recipients. First one is you and the second one is IRCC. Then this web page will appear on your screen. In this they have mentioned about the processing time, which is 35 working days after receiving the copies of your educational credentials. To get your ECA report, you have to pay $220, and you can choose the delivery option for your ECA report either through standard mail via Canada Post, whose cost is $10, or through international courier, whose cost is $85. I would recommend you to choose the second option of the international courier, because you can track your report online and it is faster than the standard delivery. One copy will be sent automatically to IRCC electronically. After making payments, they will ask about the documents that you require, that you have to send. For example, in my case, for bachelor degree, I have to submit the 2 documents. One is the degree certificate and the another one is statement of marks or the transcript. You have to make a request to your institution in writing to send the attested copies of your degrees and transcripts to WES office directly in a sealed stamped envelope. Each institution has its own system and they will charge a nominal fee per document for this purpose. Please note, you have to send only attested copies, not the original ones, and this must be sent directly by your institution. And one more thing, you have to mention your WES reference number on each correspondence that you will send to WES office. This is the postal mail address of the WES office. After filling the complete application, the summary of the application will appear like this, and you have to then click on this submit button. I have also shared a sample of report that you will get after the evaluation. Hence, they have mentioned the equivalency level of your credential in Canada, and below this it identifies and describes each credential, including name of credential, requirements for entry and program length, and the equivalent in terms of Canadian education. Here, this is the reference number which you have to mention in your express entry profile. So by following all these steps, you can easily submit and get an ECA report. Guys, if you like my videos, then please share it and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about Canada immigration.